Hey there! Congratulations on your new LG WashCombo All-in-One. You now have the power to get a load of laundry done in under 2 hours. I want to take this opportunity to walk through doing your first load with you so you can see just how easy it is to get it done in one. Now, the first thing to know, get ready to save time and energy, because at the heart of your new most efficient Energy Star rated machine is a closed system heat pump, which I'm going to explain in depth a little bit later. But right now, let's get your first load going with the wash and dry cycle. There it is. One of the first messages that you're going to see is that you need to add detergent. The easy dispense chamber is located to the right of the LCD dial. Open it and you'll notice it has two sides. It's your choice whether you want to preload that chamber with all one detergent or maybe a detergent and a softener. When it's completely full, this easy dispense chamber can accommodate up to 31 loads of laundry. And thanks to Easy Dispense, you will always be using the right amount of detergent every load. Now, assuming you've already loaded your Easy Dispense detergent tray, you're gonna wanna put your load in, set any options you may want using the cycle modifier buttons to the right of the dial, and you can even adjust the wash temperature, the spin speed, the soil level settings, anything you desire. Now you can go about your day and have a clean and dry load of laundry in under 2 hours. And make sure that your WashCombo is paired to your LG ThinQ app so that you'll receive a notification when your load is complete. Not only is the LG WashCombo the largest capacity all-in-one on the market at 5 cubic feet, but it's also the only model that's compatible with your choice of pedestal or an LG Sidekick, in case you want to have separate loads or more storage. And keep in mind, the top of your WashCombo needs just over 12 inches of space for proper function and cleaning of the lint filter. Wow, that was really easy to manage. I hope you enjoy getting everything done in one.